Let's make these delicious oven-baked lamb meatballs. We're gonna start by making a panade. If you've never heard of that before, that's okay, but if you're a meatball lover, it's your new secret weapon. A panade is a simple starch and liquid mixture used as a binder in meatballs and meatloaf. It keeps the proteins from tightening and keeps the texture tender and juicy. For mine, I'm using hot dog buns and milk. In a mixing bowl, add your ground lamb, then add soy sauce, a little bit more, salt, black pepper, this is regular paprika, but you can also use smoked if you want a little bit of oomph in there. Some Italian seasoning, red chili flakes, that's optional, leave it out, I like some heat. Fennel seeds, and recadito. Puree the bread and milk until it's completely smooth. This is what makes our panade. Add the panade to the mixing bowl and then start mixing until the ingredients are combined. Do not be rough with it, it'll toughen up your meatballs. Form the meat into balls. Pro tip, coat your hands with a little olive oil. That's gonna keep it from sticking and make it much faster and more effective to make your meatballs. Bake it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, then turn and bake it for another 10 minutes. Then hit it under the broiler to create a nice brown crust. Look how great that is. These were tender, they're juicy, perfect for a weeknight meal or to serve as an appetizer. I used the leftovers in spaghetti and meatballs the next day. You wanna make this.